YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. I can't do it without you guys. Let's talk about some crypto. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all those coins, guys. But before we get into it, gotta let you know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. We're just talking about the market today. So don't make any buying decisions based off of this. But as you guys can see, total market cap coming in at a 2.6 trillion market cap. Fear index coming in at 27. Bitcoin looking very volatile today, right? Coming in at an 82.2, right? Are we rejecting off this 82.5? This is what we don't want to see happen. We need to see Bitcoin start picking up in volume, not dropping off into the weekend. What the? But we did say in the last video too that, we might see some sell off into the weekend. So my question is, are we going to hold this 82 range, or are we going to see a retest of some lower ranges like this, 78 range down here? Yikes. A lot of people are still bullish on Bitcoin. People feeling a little bit mixed, right? Some people feeling bullish, some people feeling bearish. I think a lot of people are more feeling bearish because of the tariffs and everything that's been going on in the news. Seems like bullish news is not pumping Bitcoin, and it seems like there's a lot of bearish news just around this whole tariff war and stuff like that. But I do expect, this tariff war to drive prices down and stuff like that. This guy says, time to 70K, wait and see. Yeah, I think that 68K, 70K is a good range. Somebody's saying 62. It's a little low. I think that's a little low. Some people I've heard say 58 to 62. I've heard that range, but I don't think that's necessarily the case. Somebody says it'll go down to 81 and then it'll go back up. Some people thinking it's still looking bullish, right? What do you guys think? This guy thinks the bears are going to get wrecked. I don't know, man. Again, we are still in a downtrend on Bitcoin. We got to be careful. We're not out of the woods yet, right? Let's talk about some Ethereum, because Ethereum is another coin that we have been watching on the channel. I've been a little bit concerned about Ethereum. I ain't gonna lie, because Ethereum have been lacking in volume, not just today, not just this week, not just on the month, but really this year, right? Ethereum down 47% on the year. Yikes. Ethereum has not been performing super nice, and as you guys can see on this long time chart, it looks like we're creating another bear flag that's breaking down. Look, you can see we create a bear flag here, and now look, creating another one. Yikes, we don't want to do this. This could see some more sell off. We've seen where this has happened before, right? We created a bear flag right here and created even more sell off, right? I'm thinking Ethereum honestly could drop all the way down to this 1100 1200 range before seeing a recovery. A lot of people feeling mixed about Ethereum, but it seems like the overwhelming majority of people bullish. At one point, this was like 60% of people bullish, and like the rest of the people were bearish, like 40%. It was crazy. It was almost split, and now it's 80% of people are bullish. Yet the price is still going down, which is just a little bit concerning to me, leading me to wonder, is Ethereum going to be safe at number 2, or is it going to be outperformed by some of these other coins like Big Dog XRP, which is coming in at $2.07 right now, holding above that $2 range? We really got to stay above this $2 range on XRP though, guys. Otherwise, XRP can see some major sell-off. It's even looking on the 7-day really nasty. It's looking like we're going to see a possible retest at this 195 and drop under this $2 range. If we drop under this, right? Yikes. I don't know. Looking really volatile. I'm definitely paying attention to the 7-day on the XRP chart. Also, the 1-month chart also looking like we might see a correction, and a retest of some of these lower ranges might be appropriate here. But on the 1-year chart, maybe we have a wedge still forming. So maybe we can still bounce up off of this range. Maybe we could create some levels of support for XRP and send higher. I want to know, what do you guys think? Are you bullish on XRP? Do you guys think that May will be a good month for XRP, or do you think it will be a bad month for XRP? That's my air fryer, and it's not going to stop. Hold on. Dang, man. No, do this during the video. Okay, sorry. Anyway, yeah, as you guys can see, Solana looking a little bit bearish here. Also, creating this bear flag right here, right? We're creating this bear flag, this flagpole with the flag right here, and it's looking like it's dropping down. And then also, we've done this in the past, right? We create this flagpole and this flag, and it starts dropping down as this retest. Yikes. But again, this could have some sell off. If this has some sell off, as you can see, it had some major sell off. So I think that this could probably have some major sell off too if it decides it wants to correct down. I think Solana also can touch like these lower ranges, like this maybe 65 range or 60s range right around here. 67, 70 range, 65, yeah, around here. That's why I think it'll be around there. I think it'll drop down a little more. I think this will take time though. I don't think this will happen right away. I think these corrections just take time. Usually they take longer than people are willing to wait, but that's just kind of the way the game goes, guys. You got to be patient on Bitcoin. You got to be patient on all these coins. Usually the market does rally back, but again, it's going to rally on its own time. It doesn't rally on our time, so we just got to kind of play the game with the whales. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I want to know, are you bullish on Bitcoin? Are you bearish on Bitcoin? Do you think that Bitcoin is going to continue going up, or do you guys think that Bitcoin needs to see a correction again? It's looking like we're correcting down as we speak. No, I said 78 was that range. Yikes. I want to know what you guys think. Again, let me know. Hopefully I can get this video up in time before the price corrects too much. Maybe we'll bounce though. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, again, guys, all the likes, all the comments really help in the algorithm. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that comment section, put a thumbs up or something. I appreciate you guys. I'll catch you next video. Peace.